Hi all, welcome back to Diya's Beauty Blossom. I hope you all are doing great and wish you all a very happy new year and a blessed year ahead. Today I am unboxing the Reverie box for this month, and I just got this some time back, like 1 hour before, so I thought I'll quickly unbox it with you all people. And I am surprised as you are on what all I have in this box. For people who don't know what is Reverie box, it's a monthly subscription box where you can subscribe and you get all full-size products, not like other subscription boxes, and all are cruelty free. They are not tested on animals, and all the products are paraben free, SLS free and sulfate free. So you don't have to worry about anything. They are very good for your skin and body and hair. So this month's theme, I know it contains everything about hair care. I just love the packaging and their handmade cards. This is handmade and handwritten. I just love the concept. It says to Divya from Reverie box with love. And it says, keep the smile, leave the tear, hold the laugh, leave the pain, think of joy, forget the fear, be joyous, cause is new year. Yeah, that's cool. So this is a cute card. Thank you so much Reverie team for the customized card. And I have this cute bow, and also I have two little pink hearts, handmade. And I'm so happy, it's so cute. So let me just open this. This is how the box is. And they have a card like unleash your free spirit, and this is a brazen, I think they tied up with them about the woman wear. And I have these products in this box. Oh, something is leaking in this box. Oh. Okay, the first one I see is a Vana Margosi comb, and this is a Margosi tree comb. And this is how the comb is. It is retailed for 7.99 rupees. I think the Reverie team forgot to give me the card, little card which has the price and product details. I don't see that card. I'm not sure. I only have this card in the box, but still I have the price here. So this comb retails for 7.99 rupees because this is made of Margot's tree. And that's all it has. So it is a luxurious product from Vana Vidhi, and this is how the comb is. It's so nice. It's a wooden comb, so that's good. I wanted one, so this is good. And the second product I see is this. Oh, it's all oily, so I think there is an oil which got leaked. So the second one I have is a 49 Herbs Miracle Roots and Herb. This is a hair food which is 100 grams, and this is retail for 840 rupees. The label is also oily. It's 840 rupees, and this is paraben free, SLS free, so need not to worry. And how to use this, you have to take required quantity and massage gently on scalp for better absorption of hair food. Leave preferably overnight or wrap scalp with hot towel for 30 minutes. Wash and rinse. You can all hair types can use this, and this you have to use 2 to 3 times a week. And this is an oil based product. So this is a hair food. It helps to promote growth, strengthening the roots. It keeps the hair healthy and shiny, as well as improves its overall texture. So I'm very happy to try this product. And yeah, that's the second product. It's retail for 840 rupees. And the next one is a huge tub. This is also from Roots and Herbs. It's a hair lap, and this is retail for 700 rupees. You can actually use 1 or 2 times a week. And this is a powdered mask. You have to mix it with coconut oil or egg to make a smooth paste and apply from the root to the tip of the hair. So you don't have to apply this mask on the scalp. You have to only apply from the tip of the hair, root to the tip of the hair, and leave it for 30 to 45 minutes. Then rinse well. Wear a shower cap to prevent mask from drying. So this can be used once or twice a week. I'm so happy, and this also promotes for the healthy hair. I'm so happy. This is the next one. And the next product I have is Thwak, and this is a coffee bean and ginger hair stimulating shampoo, and this is a full size product and 200 ml. This is retail at 325 rupees. And let me just open this quickly for you people. It's a little oily, the bottle. I'm so sorry for that. And so this is how the shampoo is. It's actually coffee bean and ginger. So coffee is also very good and ginger is especially very good for your hair growth. So I'm so excited to use this, and this is for normal to dry scalp, and you can use it as a regular. Next product I have, which is the leaking one. This is oily and it is leaking. The box also has all this oil in it. So let me just open this. So, oh my god, it's leaking. I'm so sorry. So this is the Twerk Soy Protein Bodifying Hair Serum, and this is a 100 ml product, retailed at 550 rupees. This is a weightless combination of soy protein and Indian ginseng that stops hair fall by reducing the stress and bestows hair with shine, volume and body. So this also helps in taming the frizzy hair and restoring the hair's outer layer to smooth its surface and give a finished look without weighing it down. So that's very nice. I like this product, except that it's leaking and the bottle is completely oily. So, and the last product I have is a dry shampoo with which is from Bio Organic and Natural. You can use it on the days when you don't have time to wash your hair and your scalp is a little oily. So I'm so happy to try this one. So that's all what we have today. So happy that I got all these products, which are of 3,500 rupees, and I got it for 1599 rupees. Yeah, 1599 for this month's box. So if you also want to buy this box, I'll put all the details in the description box so you can go and purchase it. Thank you all for watching this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, and the subscribe button is right here. And also please like this video and share it across your friends, and have a great day.